Today we will be making another sunset with some seagulls. Okay, so first you're going to need a palette, paint, brushes, and then a pot of water or something. So the colors you're going to need is black, pale yellow, bright yellow, red, and orange. So basically we're not going to use the black right now. So first we're going to be going in with the red, then orange, yellow, and then a little bit of pale yellow. So basically just take your fat brush just put it in the red. And then start with the orange and then blend it with the red. And then go in with the yellow, and then you don't want to go in too much and blend it in with the orange that much, because then the yellow is just going to look like orange. And then go in with your pale. And then you're done with the sunset. So now for the seagull part, you're going to need your palette and then some black. So basically just take like a thin brush. And then first we're going to make it as if the seagull is like really close. So we're going to want like a kind of big one. And then it's going to keep on descending. So we're going to make one and it looks like it's just coming into view. Okay, and then you're going to keep on going smaller and smaller. But we want it to be like in a pack or in a flock. And then at the very edge, we're going to make it go as if they're like flying off the paper. So basically over here, they're going to be like really tiny, and then over here, it's going to be like kind of in the middle. So you're just going to keep on getting kind of tinier and you keep on going. And then you've got like a little sunset with some seagulls. And then you're done. And please remember to like and subscribe.